Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I've got a really exciting unboxing here for you. This is the Kinleighs Doodles Doodle box for May. So I'm just gonna slice that open here. I feel bad kind of cutting across there. Oh gosh. It's so pretty. All right, I'm gonna take these things out and then I will show them to you. So the first thing that you get in the May Doodle box are these two felt clips with the two different types of succulents. I think these are really cute actually. I'll take these out of the packaging. They got a little bit folded in the packaging, but they are cute. I love the different shades of green that you get. Beautiful. Next thing you get is in this little sack here, which I think is so cute. I love the little things that come in here. So the first is the set of sticky notes with the Get It Done, and you've got the continued succulent theme going on here. Then you've got some journaling cards. Oh, I cannot wait to set this up. So a set of journaling cards. Can you see that there? Do more of what you love. This one is a blank one. I like that because then you can add whatever you'd like in here, like a picture of a family, a to-do, so that you can put your sticky notes there, or what Hannah has suggested is to actually laminate this and then write on it with the non-permanent marker. This as well, and actually even the packaging, really cute. I like the geometrics on there as well. And then in the Doodle box you also get this exclusive sticker kit. So you get a sheet of washi strips, then the date covers and some habit trackers, and then down here you've got this week to do, to call, and to do, and then the half boxes and quarter boxes. Really cute. Then we also get this really cute journaling card with Conquer Today, and on the back there is actually a place that you can put the sticky notes. So let's find the sticky notes here, where you can put the Get It Done and then place that into the pocket of your TN. Really cute. The next thing in the May Doodle box are these adhesive pockets. I love that Hannah includes these every month because they include the different designs that match the kit and even the design on the packaging. It's really cute. So you get the first set of adhesive pockets with the geometric shapes and a few of the leaves. The second the second adhesive pocket. I love these set of succulents. And then the third is just the repeating pattern of the succulents. Again, really cute. The next thing you get is the set of 4 dashboards. Ooh, they're upside down. And you can pick whichever size you'd like, whether it's for a TN, for a ring traveler's notebook, or for a disc bound, or whichever one. I have the B6, so I've chosen the B6 size, and I love that. And then there's a little crease down the middle that you can fold that and then put that in your traveler's notebook. So I love the green and the brown and the wood grain, really pretty. And then this one with the geometric shapes and the leaves. And again, the geometric shapes, and they all just work so well together. I'm so excited to set my TN up. And then with the succulent boxes, so cute. The last thing you get in this kit are the vellum and acetate. So I'll show you them on the white background. So you get, there's one vellum with the succulent pots, which matches this because they both have the same pattern. Whoops. And then you have the geometric shapes. I think it just goes like that. Really pretty. I love green. Green is my favorite color, so I'm so happy with this. I'm not sure which way that's supposed to go around. Again, matching the dashboards, and then this one is my favorite because it's got the gold foil. Can you guys see that? The gold foiling, and then the silver foiling on the other side. Oh, so excited. So here is just one last look at everything that's come in this box. I'm so excited to be able to use this, and I'm just deciding which TN should I use. I'm loving all of the pieces of the kit that come together, and how Hannah is just great when it comes to deciding what will go with what. I'm just zooming out here to see all of the pieces together. But that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you would like more details about this box, please visit the link down below. Otherwise, thanks again and have yourselves a beautiful day.